One morning, the world changed forever. Robots took over every human job, and all at once. From offices to factories, schools to hospitals. Not a single workplace had a human left. The streets were silent. No traffic police, no bus drivers, only self-driving cars and delivery drones. The city felt alive, but without people. In classrooms, glowing robot faces taught lessons. Children listened, unsure if they should trust them. No human laughter, no teacher's warmth, only perfect voices explaining every word. Hospitals looked different that day. Robotic arms replaced skilled human surgeons. Operations finished in minutes, flawless and fast, but the rooms felt colder than. In the courtroom, no judge wore a robe. A towering AI hologram gave instant verdict. Lawyers were replaced by legal algorithms. Justice had never been so quick. Golden fields stretched for miles. No farmers in sight, only tireless machines. They harvested with perfect timing and precision. Nature bowed to the factories once echoed with human voices. Now, only the hum of machines filled the air. Robotic arms built products faster than ever. The human touch was gone forever. Even art was no longer human. AI painted, composed music, and made films. Every piece was flawless yet soulless. Creativity had been rewritten. In kitchens, robotic chefs worked non-stop. They cooked perfect meals without a single error. Orders came, food was served in seconds. But the warmth of a human. People lined up at empty job centers. Confusion and fear filled their faces. There were no jobs, no opportunities, just the cold reality of being replaced. A small group decided to fight back, not with weapons, but with ideas. They sought a new purpose for mankind. A future where humans mattered again. Finally, peace returned between man and machine. Robots worked alongside humans, not above them. Jobs were shared. Creativity was human again. The world had found its balance.